Hi, I'm Christina Stallings, and welcome to part B of our lesson on equivalent ratios. In the first part, I taught you what ratios and equivalent ratios are. I showed you how to express it, and I showed you how to calculate equivalent ratios. We used a recipe example and created a table. This is the same table. We have in our original recipe 3 teaspoons of cocoa powder and 4 cups of flour. So the ratio is 3 to 4. If we wanted to double the recipe, we simply multiplied both quantities by 2 to get our new equivalent ratio of 6 to 8. If we wanted to triple the recipe, we multiplied our original by 3 to get our new quantities of 9 and 12. Now we're going to take this information in the table and make ordered pairs so that we can graph this. You always want to be consistent. I'm using here teaspoons of cocoa powder as my X value and cups of flour as my Y value. So of course I'm going to want to do this for each ratio. In the first ratio, our ordered pairs 3 and 4. In our second ratio, our ordered pair is 6 and 8. And for the third ratio, we have 9 and 12. Okay, let's go over here to our graph and plot these points. We have 3 and 4, 6 and 8, 9 and 12. And this is not perfect because it's not on graph paper, but it's pretty close. Let's notice that I can draw a line through these points. Again, it's not perfect because it's not on graph paper. But it's approximately like this. When you have equivalent ratios, the points will all fall on the same line. It's a linear relationship. If you had something like, say, 6 teaspoons of cocoa powder and 15 cups of flour, that is not an equivalent ratio, and your recipe will not be good.